All right guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel. I'm the founder of Tiny Rig, and today we're gonna walk you through this 3rd gen Tundra that is one of our favorite trucks we've done because of the way it looks. We're a shop located in Southern California, and we do all kinds of vehicle builds from simple suspension, canopies, electrical, to like the vehicle right behind. Wild stuff, but also just typical off-road stuff. So let's jump into what we did on this one. So this is an Alu-Cab Contour Canopy. This particular unit has windows. All units will get doors that pop up fully. This one has a sliding glass window, so you could camp inside of it. In addition to that, we have a cubby, which is an add-on. And then we also have a standard National Luna light over here. This is a white LED light that is a low and high function, so you have 2 different outputs. You got one of those on the other side and then one above the tailgate as well. This window does slide and operate nicely. Very common question we get is, can you lock this up from the inside? And the answer is no. But extremely lightweight, fully aluminum, fully welded. So if you're comparing this to something like an RSI Smart Cap, which is the #1 that we get compared to, it is fully welded, and so it's never gonna leak. And if you look at reviews of Smart Caps, you will find that they leak because there's a bunch of seams. They need to be installed correctly, and then those seams and seals will fatigue over time, especially with off-road use. The weight capacity of this is also higher than a Smart Cap, but it is also a lighter product because it's fully aluminum versus the stainless stainless blend that they use. It's not simply 316 stainless, it's kind of its own thing. We've got Alu-Cab load bars up top. Those are offered in 3 different heights. You've got the medium height right here, which is about 40 millimeters, about 1.5 inches. You can also have those load bars lay completely flat, but super nice canopy, extremely well built, never have warranty issues with them, and designed for off-road use. All right, so inside you've got rails up top, and the side cubbies do mount to those rails, but you can also do a sliding Alu-Cab table. I was talking to the owner with this truck about doing like a Blue Ridge Overland attic, which is a mesh bag that you can mount up there. He's gonna use this for different types of biking and cycling. And so he can stuff his helmet up there, riding gear and whatnot. It's well ventilated, but it's also up out of the way in the bed. So attaches to factory rail system, all stainless hardware with nylocks, and every bolt we do gets marked and is gonna last a long period of time off-road. You do always wanna check and kind of inspect the hardware after hard trips. It's just good practice for the entire vehicle. But this canopy is made for off-road use, made for overlanding. It's going to hold up really well, and he should be able to use this truck as it's built for. So moving on to suspension. So stance of this truck is awesome. Wheel and tire fitment, we've got a 37, 12.5, 17 Toyo. He's got a -12 offset on those wheels, and he's got a pretty wide aggressive stance. We've got Fox 2.5 DSC shocks with Dobinson's rear end links to account for the geometry changes. We've also got a Dr. KDSS track bar correction kit. So all the geometry is correct on this. We're not just slapping parts on your truck to make it look good. It's actually going to function and operate really well. And his tread life on his tires is going to be appreciative of that. Up front, same 2.5 shock. And we've got it paired with Total Chaos's upper control arm. So Total Chaos is a brand we love using over here. There's a lot of other really high quality control arms. Total Chaos though is tried and true. That's what we run on a lot of our own vehicles. Great team over there that you can get a hold of if you did have any issues, although there's really no issues to be had. A lot of people complain about squeakiness on Total Chaos's upper control arm. That's typically because they're not maintained correctly and they're using the wrong lubricant. So with proper maintenance and the correct products, they do not squeak, and they're built really, really well. I've never heard of a Total Chaos part ever failing. Really, really good looking truck, nice, clean build. We're gonna end up doing some Baja Designs factory amber lighting to this truck, but he drove to us from Colorado all the way to California. Super appreciative of that. Really good dude, and hope you guys appreciated this. If you guys need work on your Tundra or any other vehicle, please reach out. This is what we do. We love it. We say we sell fun because we don't do maintenance, but we get to build really fun stuff. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.